Out on the streets in Chiang Rai. It's Friday night. It's kind of dead down here. I guess this isn't really the big city, so. Going over to the night market. I should be able to find it somewhere down here. Just walk through it. It's no different from any other markets, I don't think. I don't know if this gets going later. It's like 8:30, but I've been on the road all night. I mean, all day. It's like a 4.5 hour ride from Chiang Mai up to Chiang Rai. Tomorrow we're going to the Golden Triangle. Check out the Opium Trade Museum, that kind of stuff. Oh, I think I found the night market. Yep. Sure did. Chiang Rai Night Bazaar. They're the same as every other Southeast Asian city. Unless I see something crazy. Exotic snakes or something. Everything's like from $3 to clothes to like 10 or 12. I hear music. This is just this little aisle. This is small. I like to get me a Chong beer shirt, but not one of these bright. That's like $6. I mean, 5, a little over 5. Oh, I have a Watt down here. Oh, I heard music. Oh yeah, I got a little food court or something. Let's check it out. Yeah, this whole damn everything in Thailand is a little too touristy for me. That's just one guy. Yeah, this is the food court. It's not my scene, that's for sure. Might as well walk down the whole strip. I'm not gonna film anymore. It's the same old, same old. Thailand, Chiang Rai. Ah, this is the food court or something. Already ate. Nice big shrimp. Oh, prawns. Tons of stuff. Went to the night market. It's weak compared to some of the markets I've seen. Actually, if I can find some dessert, I might have some of that. I like some of this stuff, weird stuff. Oh, damn, I want to go over there, but once again, I just like to, I'll go out in the street in a minute. They got a full meal deal there. Oh, this is pretty cool. They're bringing out charcoal pots. That's cool. I need to get me a beer though. They have Leo and Sing Ha. I want Chong. I don't know why it's so hard to carry Chong beer. Peanuts. No, D's nuts. They just look big old, some kind of freaking prawn, shrimp, lobster, fish. We don't have anything like this shit in the States unless you go to Central Market and pay an arm and leg. This stuff they look at this. This is $4, that whole plate. I didn't see any sweets though. Fried food. I hadn't eaten much of that. Okay. Number 10. No, number 1. Alright. Go back here in the market and I'm gonna hit the Hostess bar. strip, and they were bugging me a little bit while ago. It's nice. It's nice. It's like, I don't know, upper 70s, a little humid, but it's got that cool kick to it. Oh, this is the end of the night market. Alright, let me turn this off because it's not my scene. Gotta get back on. If I hear music, I'm gonna go this way.